Hello, hello,
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
terms share the letter W, and since this has a positive sign, we will start by writing down 7W plus 7W, then minus 6W, minus 6W. So we have collected the terms, As you can see, these terms are like, these two are the same, then there is these two. So we have gathered or collected the terms. We can now go ahead and simplify. We get these are fractions. We simplify by LCM. LCM. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So 4 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. Okay. 2t. Then 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 1 minus 1t plus 7w minus 6w is equal to w, equal to 1w. Then we come down here and minus 1t from 2t. The answer will be 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, so we write 1 over 4t plus w. So this is the answer. Correct. Have you understood, learners? Right. Let's try another example right over here. Simplify. This is example 2. Example 2. Simplify 3a plus 2b plus a plus 5b. Simplify. Answer. 3a plus 2b plus a plus 5b is equal to, collect the terms first. We collect the terms first. We put together the like terms first. You can see here there are 4 terms, 3a, 2b, a, and 5b. So like terms will be 3a, this 3a, plus a, this is a positive sign, plus a. Then the other category of terms will be 2b, plus 2b, plus 2b, okay, plus 5b, plus 5b. So these are terms. We have gathered or collected the terms, these 3a and a, then 2b plus 5b. Then we simplify, and you can see here is just simple addition. 3a plus a is equal to 4a. 2b plus 5b, we add the numerical terms, this plus this one here. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7b. So this is the answer. Okay, answer. So we will look at another example. This is example 3. Example 3. Simplify 6a plus 9a minus 2a plus minus 3b. Simplify. How many terms are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we do first? Collect the terms, the like terms. So our answer here, we'll get it by first collecting the like terms. 6a, this 6a is like 9a, okay, so we add 9 plus 9, so plus 9a minus 2a. These numerical terms share a, okay, so minus 2a, so here minus 2a, then minus b, minus 3, minus 3b, minus 3b. So we can now add. These are like terms. Are we together? Yes. So we add 6 plus 9. This is equal to 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. So it will be 15a minus 2a minus 2a, then minus 3b. We have added first, then we want to subtract here. Then we subtract 2a from 15a to give us 13a. So 15 minus 2 is 13. So 13a minus 3b. This 3b is alone. So that is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, 13a minus 3b. Learners, we will continue doing more examples. We continue with more examples. That is example 2. I want to do example 3. Example 3. Example 3. You can try one with fractions. Okay. Let's say simplify 3.5 n plus 5p plus 2 1/4 n minus 2p. Simplify. Answer 3.5 n plus 5p plus 2 1/4 n minus 2p. Group the like terms. 3.5 n shares, this is 3.5 n, then you have 2.25 n. So those ones we put them together, collect them, because these numerical terms both have n, letter n. So 3.5 n plus 2.25 n plus 5p plus 5p minus 2p. 5p and 2p are the same, should be collected, should be gathered together. 5p minus 2p minus 2p. So we have collected the terms. You can see these ones here. We work out that, then work out this. When adding mixed numbers like these two, 3.5 n plus 2.25 n, these are mixed numbers. We first add the whole numbers, then we add the fractions, then we combine them. And this is what I mean. We'll take the whole numbers first. 3n, this 3n plus 2n plus a half n plus a quarter n. Okay, you understanding? We add the whole numbers separately, then we add the fractions separately, then we combine. This plus is combining the fractions and the whole numbers. So this will be plus 5p minus 2p. This will be equal to 5n plus 2n is equal to 5. 3n plus 2n is equal to 5n plus the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 times 1, 2n plus 2n plus 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 1 is 1n plus this. Okay, 5p minus 2p is equal to 3p. Can just simplify it. Then coming here, we'll have 5 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 3/4n plus 3p. So this is the answer. So we taken 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 over 4n. This n applies to both the 3/4 and 5 plus 3p. So this is the answer. Correct. That's the answer. Learners, are you following the process of collecting terms and simplifying algebraic expressions? If you have any question, feel free to ask. I would want to stop at that point so that I give you an opportunity to practice what we have been learning, so that you can practice what we have been learning today, collecting terms and simplifying. Collecting terms and simplifying. So we are on page 34. I want you to attempt question 1. This is exercise 26. Go and attempt, go and simplify question 1 to question 10. Question 1 to question 10. Attempt the questions. If there will be a question that you find difficult to simplify, write below the video on our website, then I will help you to work out the questions here on the board. Thank you for being good students. I wish you all the best as you continue studying mathematics. Adios, amigos.